All right, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My channel is called Relishing Retirement. For those of you who have not been to my channel, I'm a retired high school math teacher of 32 years. And that magical special day that I decided to walk away from education and retire was Tuesday, June 10th, 2025. So what I do is on my channel, what I do is I go on cruises, I visit my kids, I do things around the house. I just, show everyone my everyday life and what I do. I don't do anything special to make it seem like I'm living the glamorous, life to make everyone think, wow, he's really doing it up and he's really, 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 living his life. And I am living my life. But what you see is what you get. So sometimes I may be on a cruise on vacation in the Caribbean or whatever. And other times, like today, you'll see me outside on a cold winter day around the house, just doing what I do. So anyway, once again, welcome to my channel. My name is Fred, and the channel, once again, is called Relishing Retirement because everything I put out is just another example of me relishing retirement. What I'm going to do today is I like to feed the outdoor critters, and I have about, I don't know, 8 or 9 bird houses on my premises. So I feed them. I got bird feeders. I feed the squirrels. So that's what I do. I enjoy watching the animals, seeing which animals, step on the premises, especially at night, because that's when a lot of them come. Raccoons, opossums. I had a deer the other night. So I'm going to see if I can somehow insert that footage, into this video. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to replenish the bird feeders, put food out for the squirrels, and just check things on the property to see how things are going. I have to transport wood from outside, firewood, to the garage and also inside so it can thaw out. I currently have the fireplace going right now. It's safe. Don't worry about it. It's got a screen. There's nothing's going to happen while I'm outside for this short period of time. So anyway, I'm not doing anything special. Just outdoors on a Saturday. Like I said, today is January 31st. And just bringing you guys along to kind of see a average Saturday weekend for your boy. So stay tuned and let me get going so I can get done with what I need to get done. Okay, that's called suet, and that's what I put in these bird feeders. I'm going to put those in right over here. Okay, so this side is still okay, so I'll put one on this side, and then I have a bigger one for this side. The bird seed looks like it's still doing okay, so I won't worry about that. That side could use a little bit more. Same with this side. I also have some corn that the squirrels love eating. Still a little bit left on there, so I'll leave that there. And as you can see on the ground, there's still corn down on the ground. There was a lot more than this, but I think I'll leave this out here. They need to eat this up first before I put more out. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna put any more out here, but ladies and gentlemen, it's a very, very frigid 25 degrees. I feel for these little critters, so I'm gonna make their life a little easier and put a little more out here. I mean, hell, it's only corn, seeds, you know, it's not like it's breaking the bank. Okay, so now I'm in my front yard, and this is the bird feeder I get to watch most of the time because I have it situated right in front of my fireplace room window. So when I'm watching TV, I also watch the birds. So need to make sure they're fed so they can keep coming back. Okay, that should probably hold them for about, I'd say, a month and a half, 2 months. Okay, so like I previously mentioned, I just replenished these bird feeders in the front of my house, and I've got this situated right in front of the fireplace window, which is right there. So in that room, my fireplace is in that room, and my flat screen TV is in that room. And on the back wall of that room, you may be able to see it, but that leads out at the patio that leads out into the backyard. So I'll spend a lot of time in that room and upstairs in my office. So anyway, now I've got my feeders filled. So this will give me additional entertainment for the next couple of months or so while I watch TV. The last and final thing I have to do is feed the squirrels and the deer. I have a squirrel feeder out here. These two containers consist of corn, sunflower seeds, and peanuts. So I will be putting a lot of this in this squirrel feeder right here. The rest of it will be sprinkled on the ground here. Okay, and then this, I will sprinkle this along the ground, and then I'll be done. Well, I'm done. It took me about 20 minutes. My damn fingers feel frozen, frostbitten, and numb. So I'm about to take my ass in the house and warm up. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the Blue House Castle. Keep the blue light on all night, every night, sometimes throughout the day. I just like seeing it on. Adds character and it complements the Blue House. That's it. The day in the life of a very happily retired former educator. Now, nothing special really took place today. It's just, things that I do on my free time on the weekend. And I just wanted to invite everyone in to give you a glimpse of just an average day, a typical day in the life of Fred. A happily retired teacher. I can't express that enough. How happy I'm out of the game. I'm done. And that's why every single day and everything I do is me relishing my retirement. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me till the end of the video. If you could do me a favor, if you could please subscribe and also like the video. This is like my baby, one of my babies since I retired. So I'm doing this, giving this an honest effort. And I'll probably post something once a week, but I'm trying to grow it. I'm trying to grow the channel. Right now, I believe I'm at 60 something followers. And this is like my 7th or 8th month doing this. But anyway, thanks for those who've already subscribed. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It costs you nothing and it helps my channel grow. I want to apologize because I realized halfway through recording the videos, I lost the audio. And what had happened was when I was transporting the firewood from outside to inside the garage, I was mic'd up and I had the mic attached right here in the lapel. And I think what had happened was as I was carrying the firewood in, one of the pieces of wood must have, brushed off or knocked off the mic. Anyway, I frantically looked for it. I couldn't find it. I realized it was off as I was editing the video, and I realized I lost the audio. So I came out in the garage and I found it. So all is good. So I want to apologize for the audio, but I got some decent music playing in the background to soothe your ears as you see your boy go through, what he does on a typical Saturday. So once again, thank you for liking. Thank you for following. Thank you for watching. And hey, I hope everyone out there, I hope you all are relishing whatever you do the way I do, because I'm relishing mine. Until next time, take care and keep on relishing.